Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set purchase restrictions on your JVC Smart TV. To enable purchase restrictions, we're going to have to enable the parental controls first. To do that, we're going to have to navigate to the gear icon on the right side of the TV and then open either account and profile settings or preferences. Then find and open parental controls, enable them, and enter or create a PIN code. After that, find PIN Protect Purchases and switch this option on to protect your purchases with a PIN. And this way you will restrict making purchases for anybody who doesn't know your PIN code. And if you want to, you can change the PIN by selecting the last option on the list. Here you're going to have to enter the PIN code once, the current one, and then create a new one by entering it twice. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.